Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how to set PSR e463 for praise. Yamaha PSR e463. How to set it up for praise. Please guys, if you haven't subscribed to this video channel, please do it to like, subscribe, share, drop your comments. Alright, so first off, we are going to set up our right hand, which is the main voice. Because I'm going to set the voice on the right hand and my bass on the left hand. So first off, let's use Jajita as our main voice. So to do that, you press 044. Jajita is on 044. You can also use this, you understand, to go up or down. You see, so 044 Jajita. This is it. So we are still setting it up. After doing that, we set our draw. I'm going to show you guys like 2 draws you can use. First off, to do that, you click and hold your draw till it shows you your draw voices. Hope you're following. So the draw voice we're going to use first is, let's use our sine lead. I don't know the exact number, but it's 500 or something. Our sine lead. Yeah, 569. I got it. After selecting it, you click on function here, then use this category to look for the volume. You are looking for the volume. It's on 77. I don't know the exact volume I'm going to use, but let's put it on 85 and switch it on to see how it sounds. To do that, you click on draw once to activate it. So 85 is okay. You see how the difference? Understand? You can also increase your main volume. That is your Jajita. If you want it to be a bit loud, you go to your M volume. Go to your M volume. It's somewhere, I'm getting it. M volume. You can increase it or decrease it if you like. It's on 84. You can increase to like 115. So 115 is okay. The draw is on 85. And the draw octave, you should leave it the way it is. It's on 0. Leave it on 0. So after setting up that one, let's set up our left hand. We are going to use solo sign. To do that, click and hold your splits. Yeah. Solo sign is on 568. I got it. So the dual octave of the solo sign, not the dual, the X octave should be on 0. You see, S octave should be on 0. After doing that, you now click on it once. The volume is a bit low. Let's increase the S volume. We're looking for S volume, that is the split voice volume. Split voice volume. It's like I passed it without knowing the S. Yeah. Let's increase it to like 120 and see. Sorry about that. So you see how it sounds. Stop. Let's make it to stop somewhere here. To do that, you look for your split point. Look for your split point. You will see it. The split point, you increase it a bit so that it will come up. I'm just doing this one step at a time so that it's on 60. Let's put it on 62. No, let's put it on 65. So it's okay like this. Let me now hang this phone and play something so that we see how it sounds. So let's play something. So you see the way it sounds. So you see this proper Makusa praise beats. You understand? This is what you can use for your church praise. I hope you learned something here. Let me take another dual voice you can use. You can also as well use your clavique. This is sign lead. The clavique is somewhere 337. Yeah. You see? Clavique. You can also use it. So let's set it up. You see, let's try and reduce the volume a bit. So you can use your clavique or your sign lead. Let's play. See how it sounds. Let's just play something with this clavique to see how it sounds exactly with both hands. So there you have it. Hope you learned something from this very tutorial. Please guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, drop your comments. See you guys in my next tutorial. Bye.